Yeah, my cat is just on my desk while I'm trying to watch YouTube videos. Don't look at that. Yeah, that's Lord Mania 777 because he's awesome. Just like Mark and Jack and Yummy Mash. But yeah, she's just over here being a cute little girl and drooling everywhere. Why? I don't know. You say moo? She might get in my lap again. You say moo? Miranda. Oh my goodness, careful, don't fall. She is just kind of, I don't know, chilling. Drool stains on my leg. It's wonderful, isn't it? Oh yeah, sure, sit on the mouse. That's a great idea. Alright, so that's it for this video, I guess. Okay. Comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoy cats and if you like this video or any of my other videos. And in a couple of days I'll post another one. Because it's summer and not school time. She loves my purse. It is beautiful. Okay,